Okay, so this is a video on feeding Callie. First thing in the morning, I clean out what's left of the food in her bowl and put it in the sink. Then I rinse it out. I'm doing this with one hand, so not as good as usual. Give it a quick rinse. You can put it in the dishwasher if you want to. We have Dynavite. I put one scoop of Dynavite. After then, I mix it with about a quarter to a third a can of this, of whatever can you have, and then a paw handful of the dry. So that's the basics. So then I'll start to mix it. Again, one-handed is difficult. I don't really have a good way to set this down. Let me try here. Okay, so I'm going to put one full scoop of this dynamite, a level scoop of the Dynavite in, which we should have a new box arriving today. So there's the Dynavite. Scoop goes back in wherever you want to put it. Then I usually get a large fork. There's a large fork. Some of this dog food is wetter than others, and I try not to put too much of the wet in and just kind of scoop it out, as you can see. I just kind of do it to eye, so just enough to mix the Dynavite thoroughly, a third of a can, a quarter can, something like that. You can add a little more or less to how you think. Maybe a little more. The Dynavite's not all mixing. You can add a little bit of water too, if you want. If you want just a few drops to help mix the Dynavite. If it's the drier food, sometimes the beef is drier, so that's fine like that. Then I take a handful of the dry, a tall handful. So if your hand is a lot smaller, maybe a little bit more too, a tiny bit more. And you can see it there. And then I mix it thoroughly. And that's it. I just mix it thoroughly and serve. I'm going to finish mixing it now, so this video is not any longer. It's almost 3 minutes. Good luck. She's an easy dog.